All good SEO campaigns consist of two main elements. The first is on-page SEO, and the second is off-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to any change you make on your website to improve its visibility. Off-page SEO refers to any change you make off your website to improve its visibility. On-page SEO. So let's dig a little bit deeper and look at on-page SEO in a bit more detail. So some examples of on-page SEO optimizations you can make on your website would be updating the title tag, changing the H1 tag, editing the meta description of a page. If you don't know what these elements are at the moment, don't worry, as I'm going to go through all of them later on in the course. However, the point I'm trying to make is, as these are all actions you make on your website, these are classified as on-page optimizations. So for off-page SEO, some examples of off-page SEO optimizations you can make would be build a link to your website, get your business listed on an external directory, optimize your social profiles, and so on and so on. These are all actions you implement off your website and as a result are classified as off-page optimizations.